Alright guys, so iOS 26.4 is out now and it's packed with new features. Here's everything you need to know about. The first thing you will notice after updating is this new stolen device protection pop-up, and with iOS 26.4 it's now turned on by default on every iPhone. If you go to the wallpaper section, you will see that it has a major redesign. You can now download specific wallpaper collections rather than having all options pre-installed, and after downloading one, you also have an option to easily remove it, which will at the end help you save some storage space on your iPhone. The music app has a visual overhaul too. Now you get the full screen album artwork which fills the background, creating a color matching interface. And inside of the search section you will see a brand new concerts category which allows you to search for upcoming concerts near you. Or you could simply go to your favorite artist profile, and if they have any upcoming concerts, you will see this new option, and by simply tapping on it, you can see all of their upcoming concerts, and from here you even have an option to buy the tickets and see more details about this event. Playlist Playground is a new Apple Intelligence powered feature, which is designed to help you generate custom playlists using simple text prompts. This one is unfortunately currently only available in the US. With iOS 26.4, Apple has brought back the old App Store layout, where the search icon is now combined with other elements and the search field is now back at the top of the screen, making it a bit more difficult to reach on bigger devices. In the App Store and other apps that have user settings, there is now a unified Apple account tab, which replaces the old profile feature with this new design. You'll now see a separate section for app updates, which now takes an extra tap instead of being at the bottom of your profile settings. The Messages app now has a new animation when starting a conversation. The window opens from the bottom right and closes back to the same spot. The home screen edit menu now has a more transparent design, giving it a cleaner look than before. If you go into the widget section of the home screen, you will notice that we now have a brand new ambient music widget, which comes in a small and a medium size and can be added to the home screen, offering you a one-tap playback for up to 4 mood playlists. The Freeform app now has a new icon to match its integration with the latest Apple Creator Studio features. The Reminders app now finally gets a new dedicated smart list for urgent reminders. You can now create and view all your urgent reminders from this one list. iOS 26.4 now has a refined iCloud setting, now with a dedicated iCloud.com menu to manage web data access and also a new Allow Search option for trusted devices. Inside of the camera settings, under Record Sound, we have a brand new audio zoom option, which makes the audio focus on the subject when the camera is zooming in. Inside of Personal Hotspot, data usage has now moved from cellular settings, making it easier to see how much data each connected device has used. When opening Face ID and passcode settings, the animation gets a cleaner look and the text is now centered instead of being left aligned. Inside of the Shortcuts app, we now have a brand new action called Set Battery Charge Limit, which will now allow you to automate charging limits based on time, location, or battery level. In Safari settings, under Import, you can now directly import the data from other browsers. Previously, you were only able to import it from files. The live activity for alarms has now been updated. The alarm tab now appears above the label and the font is smaller. Inside of accessibility settings, under display and text size, you will now see a brand new reduce bright effects option, which when turned on minimizes highlighting and flashing when interacting with on-screen elements such as buttons or the keyboard. You can see here when tapping on the search bar, there is no flashing in the background with this option turned on. And finally, we've got 8 new emoji. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite one, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like these.